I am not a race car driver. I've driven a couple times on track and have participated in a few autocross events, but outside of that, I'm more of a weekend warrior on the back roads. I do, however, love car parts. Opening them, installing them, seeing if I notice a difference, or just knowing it's something that a lot of other people just don't have. Which brings us to today's install. I recently had imported a set of Nielex Knuckle bracing for my NC Miata. Located in Hiroshima, Japan, the small parts manufacturer has plenty of other Mazda-specific parts, including the clutch pedal bracing I installed last year. Their front knuckle bracing improves rigidity of the inner hub and knuckle assembly. And like I said, I'm not a race car driver, but guys like Mitchell Yardley run these while pushing sub 2 minute times around Button Willow. They're good enough for him, they're good enough for me. So let's get started.